Ruth and Norman Rales Jewish Family Services is more than just South Palm Beach County's most comprehensive social service agency. We're family. And like family, we're always here for you when you need us. Food and shelter are essential to the security and well-being of everyone. In times of crisis, it's often the family that comes to the rescue. Rales JFS is an extension of family, stepping in when needed to provide essential nutrition and sustenance through the Jacobson Family Food Pantry and the Adele Loeb and Les Knackman Meals on Wheels program. And we don't stop there. Rales JFS offers emergency financial assistance as well as housing assistance to families and individuals who qualify. We also offer subsidized home care for eligible seniors. We even offer scholarships to make it possible for children to attend summer camp so that parents can continue to work when school is out. And through the Jewish Educational Loan Fund and Hebrew Free Loan Society, we provide interest-free loans to those who are eligible.
Rales JFS offers individuals and families in South Palm Beach a vast array of interrelated services. If you're here, you're one of us, and when you need us, we're here for you. Because that's what family's for.
Contact Rales JFS today and see what we can do for you. Ruth and Norman Rales Jewish Family Services. We are family.